Hey everybody, I am back, this time with unboxing of our wedding bands. So our wedding is in about a week and a half and we're just getting everything prepared. We don't want to carry around these bulky boxes with us on the day. So we're going to go ahead and open them up and get them all ready for a big day. And in doing so, we're also going to do an unboxing video. So we obviously have two wedding bands. Lucia's is a Diamond Tiffany Harmony wedding band, and mine is the classic Tiffany Milgrain wedding band. I'm not sure which box is which, so we're going to start with this one, and we'll see what it is. So unlike the engagement ring, which we have another video on, the wedding band boxes are black and they're not as textured. It is still a nice sturdy box, but it's definitely not as pretty. It's not the Tiffany blue. I don't know if you can get engraving on this or not. It seems like from the texture, maybe not, but they might offer that. It's something we'll have to check into and put a comment on the video when we're editing it. But it doesn't feel the same quality, the same style of box as an engagement ring for sure, which makes sense because these wedding bands are a fraction of the cost of the engagement ring. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the box and we'll see whose it is. Here we go. So this one is Lucia's. So the nice thing about this box is you can see there's two slots here. So one for hers, one for mine. And if I take out her ring, no.
One for this and one for the engagement.
One for the engagement ring. Oh, yes, that's smarter. Yes, one for the engagement ring, one for the wedding band. So I'm going to take hers out so you can get a closer view. So this is the Diamond Studded Harmony wedding band. It retails for 2,900 Canadian, and there's 0.23 carat weight of diamonds in this wedding band. So you see it's mostly around the top and the side. It is a platinum, wedding band. And if I kind of rotate it towards the bottom, you see that there's no diamonds down there. So a nice sleek look. We really liked how it kind of tapers right here in the center, as is the Tiffany Harmony style. And it would go great with her classic Tiffany setting engagement ring. Definitely sparkly, shiny, sleek, thin, and really lightweight, and looks really good. So that's the Tiffany Harmony Diamond wedding band. So here is the Tiffany classic setting engagement ring with the Tiffany Harmony Diamond wedding band. So you see that they do go very well together. The small width of the wedding band goes well with the larger 1.3 carat diamond engagement ring. And the diamonds on the wedding band do complement the diamond on the engagement ring as well. So they definitely look like they belong together as a set, and they definitely complement each other very, very well. So we'll go ahead and open up mine. Again, similar idea with the box. Not going to spend any time on it because it's essentially the same box. I only have one slot because I only need a wedding band. And this is the men's classic Milgrain wedding band. So let me take it out and give you a closer look. So this is also platinum. And if you look at the top and bottom edges, you have the Milgrain kind of etching on either side. It just adds a nice little texture, a nice little feel to it. And it looks a little bit more elegant than just a plain classic wedding band. So no diamonds on mine, nothing else. So nice and simple. This is a 3 millimeter width, so the men's wedding bands come in a number of different widths. 3 millimeters, which is this one is the smallest. Then I believe they have 5 and up to, I believe, 7 millimeters is their largest one. I tried them all on and they all looked pretty big on my finger aside from the 3, which is why I chose the 3. And I'm going to go ahead and put this on my finger so that way you can see how that looks. Go ahead, slide it on like so. So I do like the thin look of it. The other ones were about twice to a little bit more than twice the size of this, and it just felt too big, too bulky, and just felt like it was too much. So I decided on the 3 millimeter one, and I think that it's definitely a good fit. I don't usually wear jewelry. I've never worn jewelry, so I think wearing the wedding band will be an adjustment, but I am certainly looking forward to it. So I'll take this off later because I don't need you guys watching me struggle to take that off. What I will show you is what I was thinking earlier when I was describing Lucia's box, which is these pouches. So for the ceremony, we actually have a special double pouch. So her wedding band can go in one side, mine can go in the other. I can just slip that into a pocket, and that way we have it all in one place, easily accessible on the day, and don't need to worry about these big, bulky boxes. So that is the Tiffany men's classic Milgrain wedding band and the Tiffany Diamond Harmony wedding band. Thank you for watching, and please leave your feedback and questions in the comment section below. Until next time.